Hi everyone, my name is Abraham, and in this video I'll be walking you through a data analysis project that I've been working on. So this project revolves around a dataset from Kaggle titled US Crime Dataset January 2020 through September 2024, and this is what it looks like on kaggle.com. But once you download it, you're going to get a CSV file that contains 982,639 reported crimes, so almost a million rows of data. And this is what it looks like once you get it into Python. So you can scroll through here all day and you probably won't see the end of this file. But to analyze this, I used Python along with Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. And I did all of this using VSCode. So I had some questions pertaining to gender and time. So here are the questions. What are the most and least dangerous months, days, and hours based on reported crimes in the US? And how do these crime patterns differ between male and female victims? And lastly, which types of crimes occur most frequently and where? So I'll step through the code with you, and then we'll look at the charts. So this program is split up into 6 different parts. So 5 of those parts are cleaning and manipulating data, and then displaying a chart that produces or that lets you see these descriptive statistics. And then the last part of this program is a small summary of the most important things to remember from this. So the first chart is crimes by month of the year, and that's split up into male and female. This is the code for it. The second chart is similar, but it pertains to the day of the week, and it's split up to male and female. And then the third chart is crimes per hour. And again, that's split up into male and female. And then we have the top 10 crimes, or top 10 most committed crimes in the US, and then the top 10 locations or premises where the crimes were committed. And this is the last part where it gives us a small summary. So we'll go ahead and look at the charts that this produces. So this is the first chart, crimes by month of the year and the victim. So we can see that January was the month where most crimes were reported, and then it kind of tapers off a little bit and then spikes just a little bit in the summer months, and then it tapers off again a little bit towards the end of the year. And you can see the pattern here where males are more victimized than females throughout the year. We'll take a look at the second graph here. The day of the week split up into male and female victims. It's pretty linear throughout the week except for Friday and Saturday. And it seems like Tuesday, there's a small drop in the reported crimes that happened that day. And we'll take a look at crimes per hour of day split into male and female victims. So we see 2 spikes, one around noon and the other one around midnight. In both of these spikes, female victims spike up just a little more than males, but for the rest of the day, males are victimized a little more. In the mornings is when crime for women picks up a little bit, but the safest hour of the day, according to this data, is probably going to be 5 o'clock, and the most dangerous probably going to be 12 noon, and then crime picks up a little bit around 5 o'clock, around rush hour, and levels off here around 9 o'clock and into the evening hours here. We'll take a look now at top 10 most frequent crimes in the US. I'll have to fix this so you can read it. So it all has to do with theft or assault, basically, with vehicles stolen being the number 1, a battery being the number 2. And you can read here, it's basically theft and assaults that happen the most And then the third chart, I'm gonna have to fix this one as well. Premise description or location of the crime. The street, that's not surprising. Street came up number one. But then what's surprising is houses and then apartments or duplexes or basically homes come in at number two. After that, it's the parking lot, businesses, sidewalks, your garage, your driveway, and then the store at number 10. Yeah, that's a little bit about this data set and this analysis. As you can see here, I've outlined the summary, the basic summary of this analysis. You can pause it here and take a look at this. But some of these things are kind of surprising, and some of them are not so much surprising. But yeah, I'm not a statistician by any means, but this is what the data shows. So you can pause it here. You can take a look at it yourself. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.